here. Our ancestors born down here. Great great grandfather, all the folks were born down here. And we just can't get along down here. Going here, kids are here. Go somewhere, sipping a beer. Now you put on and take up right here. With the vehicle catching gear. With the vehicle just a stare. And next one him just a swear. Next one saying come well prepare. Next one saying did not prepare. Here to here we are here. Don't know when we have no fresh air. My mother born here, my father born here. I born here, my children born here. Grandma, grandpa born down here. My great grandparents born down here. Boy and sister born down here. Never have aeroplane down here. Never bus and ship down here. Never plane and train down here. Never have what we have. And we still can't get along. Put something in the end. Because you know we are the same one. My mother born here, my father born here. And sister and grandparents born here. I said we all born down here. Coming here, put numbers here. I've no fear here to here. We going somewhere. We all enjoy down here. Enjoy each other down here.